Sasha here for netbooknews.com. We finally met up with the Samsung fellows, and as you know, we already played around with the Samsung Galaxy Tab. The first actual, I would say, the real Android tablet that we got in our hands. You know what? I just got over here some accessories. So this is the keyboard, or the kind of docking station that you can use with the Galaxy Tab. What actually, it's not running right now. This is it's not a mock-up, it's a prototype, right? I think the batteries are empty or something. But in general, it just tells you a little bit how Samsung is using the design of the Galaxy Tab, or combining with a stylish design keyboard and docking station. I think the price of it is around 80 euros. Not so sure about that right now. But anyways, first time we got our hands on the docking station keyboard for the Galaxy Tab. We have some more accessories. There's a little headset over here. Even though these little headsets are always kind of irritating me when I see people having this in their ears and talking to some invisible strangers. And we have another headset with a little microphone. I'm not sure if this is included in the box or if this is an additional accessory. I'm definitely sure that this is an additional accessory that you have to buy, and of course the docking station for the Galaxy Tab. And we have some sleeves. Here we go, in different colors. So you have a little protection for your tab. Let's get it in here. There we go. Simple, stylish, looking pretty good. So yeah, that's a little accessory portfolio for the Galaxy Tab. I'm Sasha for netbooknews.com. Thanks for watching.